National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson Parish, southeastern Union Parish, northwestern Ouachita Parish, northeastern Bienville Parish, and northwestern Louisiana, Lincoln Parish, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grambling, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ruston, Grambling, Sterlington, Shugrun, Simsboro, Vienna, Downsville, D'Arbin, Calhoun, Loch Lomond, Rocky Branch, Deshard, Unionville, and Eureka. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, Lincoln, Ouachita, and Union. You're listening to your weather radio, station WXJ96, broadcasting in Monroe on 162.55 megahertz. Be sure to check us out on Facebook. Here's a look at local weather conditions as